Today I'm going to show you how to load a roll of 35mm film. Choose your film and check the speed or ISO on the box. Make sure to dial the film speed into your camera for proper exposure. Locate the latch or button to open the back of your camera. With this little bump facing downwards, place the film canister into the film chamber. Once the canister is in place, make sure to pop the latch down so the film is secure. Pull out a bit of the film leader from the canister. Guide the film leader across the camera's film path to the take-up spool on the opposite side. Insert the film leader into the take-up spool. Finally, close the back of your camera and advance the film by turning the film advancer lever until the counter shows 1. You know the film is loaded correctly when the latch here is turning anti-clockwise. You've successfully loaded a roll of 35mm film and you're ready to shoot. Have fun!